National Chartered Accountant Day, 1st July, and Institute of Chartered Accountants of India ICAI. July 1 is celebrated as National Chartered Accountant Day in India. The day is observed in order to celebrate the formation of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India ICAI on July 1, 1949. ICAI is the sole licensing and regulatory body for the financial audit and accounting profession in India. ICAI was formed a year before the Constitution of country was formalized and counts itself among the oldest professional institutes in the country. Every year, on the day of the establishment of the ICAI, National CA Day is celebrated to honor the chartered accountants across the nation. A chartered accountant is a profession that gives the direction to the financial condition of any country. While the members of the institute with less than 5 years of membership are called Associate Chartered Accountants ACA, the members with more than 5 years of membership are called Fellow Chartered Accountants FCA. ICAI is the second largest accounting body in the world after American Institute of Public Accounts. Set up by an Act of Parliament, ICAI has a very strict code of ethics. With the symbol of mythical eagle Garud, its official motto is a quote from the Upanishad which reads, Ya Esha Sapteshu Jagriti. It translates as the one who is awake in those that sleep. Becoming a member requires passing the prescribed CA examination along with 3 years of practical training and meeting other requirements under the Act and regulations. A member of ICAI can use the title CA before his or her name. ICAI recommends the accounting standards to be followed by companies in India to National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standards NACAS and sets the accounting standards to be followed by other types of organizations. It works closely with the Government of India, Reserve Bank of India, and the Securities and Exchange Board of India in formulating and enforcing such standards. ICAI, the history. The genesis of CA profession can be tracked back to the pre-independence days. Back in 1913, the British government in India passed the Companies Act, which had a prescribed list of books that every company registered under the Act had to maintain. The Act also provided for the appointment of an auditor who had the power to audit the books. 5 years later, the Government Diploma in Accountancy course was launched in Bombay. This course had a pattern similar to today's CA course, complete with a 3-year training period, and those who had completed the course could practice as an auditor throughout India. In 1930, the Government of India decided to maintain a register of accounts and preferred the title of registered accountant to those accountants whose name was entered in the roster. However, even with all these practices, the accountancy profession remained unregulated until an expert committee created in 1948 suggested that an autonomous body should be formed for enhanced regulation. By then, though many Indians had already become the members of Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales ICAEW and were known by the term Chartered Accountants. Despite the controversy surrounding the term, it was retained as it was already widely used. Thus, When the Chartered Accountant Act of 1949 was passed and the ICAI came into being, the term Chartered Accountant became the preferred title instead of previously used Registered Accountant. Since then, 1st July has been commemorated as the ICAI Foundation Day or CA Day in India. It should be clear that unlike in other Commonwealth countries, the word chartered, when used for Indian accountants, has no relation to the Royal Charter of the British, as India is a republic. C.A. Gopaldas Padamse Kapadia was the first Indian to be issued a membership certificate by ICAI. He received the certificate of membership on 9 June 1950. He was a founding member and ICAI's first president. Celebration. The day holds a sense of pride for all CAs of nation. So, on this day, many events are organized in the respective chapters of ICAI. For example, blood donation camp and cultural evening, which has a lineup of competitions, are arranged.